Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: VS Code, Git, and a Gitlab account. Once done, open the project folder in VS Code and launch an integrated terminal. You should set Git user, name and user. Email so commits attribute correctly. If you prefer SSH, generate an SSH key with SSH keygen and copy the public key. If you prefer HTTPS, create a personal access token in Gitlab. Make sure to choose scopes for repo access. This is how VS Code will authenticate to Gitlab. Next, link VS Code to Gitlab. If using SSH, paste your public key into Gitlab under Profile SSH keys. If using a token, save it in your OS credential manager. Once done, install the Gitlab workflow extension in VS Code to simplify operations. Use command palette to sign in or run git clone with the repository URL. Then add a remote if needed. Git remote add origin git at GitLab. Com, username/repo. Git, make sure you test by fetching. This verifies authentication and connectivity. Finally, commit locally and push to GitLab. Git push origin main or your branch name. You can use VS Code source control to stage files, review diffs, and create merge requests via the GitLab extension. Once the push succeeds, verify the repo on GitLab and open a merge request if needed. If something goes wrong, check whether your SSH agent is running, ensure the correct SSH key is added, confirm token scopes, and validate the remote URL. If auth errors persist, re-add credentials and retry the push.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.